Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Muky, and today I'm going to reveal a powerful method that can help you see visible weight loss in just 7 days. Yes, you heard it right, just 7 days. Have you ever wondered why some people stay slim effortlessly while others struggle despite working out? The secret often lies in a simple, natural drink you can make at home: lemon ginger water. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to prepare it, when to drink it, and what foods to eat and avoid for maximum results. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to kickstart your weight loss journey safely and effectively. And if you want a complete 7-day plan including meals and timing to maximize results, leave a comment below saying send me the full plan. I'll make a dedicated video just for you. So stay tuned, because what I'm about to share can completely change the way you approach weight loss naturally, safely, and without extreme dieting. Now, let's talk about why this drink works so well. Lemon and ginger are both powerful metabolism boosters. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps flush toxins, reduces bloating, and promotes fat burning. Ginger contains compounds called ginger oils, which boost digestion, reduce inflammation, and help control cravings. Together, when consumed daily, this combination speeds up metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even at rest, reduces water retention and bloating, making you feel lighter instantly, suppresses unnecessary appetite, preventing unhealthy snacking. This isn't magic, it's science. But here's the catch: you need to drink it correctly, at the right times, and pair it with simple dietary adjustments to see visible results in just 7 days. And don't worry, I'll also explain what to eat and what to avoid, so you get real, measurable results without feeling starved. Now that you know why lemon ginger water works, it's time to learn how to make it correctly so you get maximum results. Follow these steps carefully. Ingredients: 1 fresh lemon, 2 inches of fresh ginger root, 1 glass of warm water, not boiling, not cold. Optional: a pinch of cayenne pepper or honey if you need a bit of taste, but avoid sugar. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Slice the lemon in half and squeeze its juice into the warm water. Peel the ginger and grate or crush it for maximum potency. Step 2. Mix it properly. Add the ginger to the lemon water. Stir well and let it sit for 5-10 minutes to release all the nutrients. Step 3. Timing is key. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps kickstart your metabolism for the day. For faster results, you can also drink another glass 30 minutes before meals. Use fresh ginger, not powdered. Fresh ginger contains more active compounds. Avoid adding sugar, it defeats the purpose of this weight loss drink. You can make a batch for the day, but always store it in the fridge for maximum freshness. Remember, consistency is everything. Drinking it once won't magically melt fat, but doing this daily along with proper diet adjustments will help you see visible changes in just 7 days. And here's a little secret for the full 7-day step-by-step plan, including what to eat, when to drink, and extra tips. Comment below saying, send me the full plan. In the next video, I'll share everything with you so you can follow it without guessing or missing a step. Now that you know how to make lemon ginger water, the next secret is timing. Drinking it at the right times can dramatically boost your results in just 7 days. First thing in the morning, empty stomach. Drink 1 glass as soon as you wake up. Why? Overnight, your body is in a fasting state. Lemon ginger water kickstarts your metabolism, flushes toxins, and reduces bloating. Bonus: it gives a gentle energy boost without coffee. 30 minutes before meals. Drinking it before breakfast, lunch, or dinner can help control appetite. You'll naturally eat less and avoid unnecessary snacking, which is key for weight loss. Mid-Flatten and refresh. Feeling sluggish at 3-4 p.m.? Instead of reaching for sugary drinks, have another glass of lemon ginger water. It revives energy and keeps your metabolism active. Optional: evening glass if needed. If you've had a heavy meal, a warm glass can aid digestion and reduce bloating overnight. Avoid late-night sugar or honey, it can reduce fat-burning effects. Tips to boost its effects. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper, this naturally increases calorie burning. Always use fresh ingredients, pre-made powders don't have the same effect. Pair it with light exercise like a 15-minute walk or gentle stretches to accelerate results. Remember, it's not magic, consistency and timing are the keys. Follow this daily for 7 days and you'll start seeing visible changes in your waistline and energy levels. Now that you're drinking lemon ginger water correctly, the next secret is your diet. Drinking it alone isn't enough. What you eat and what you avoid will make or break your 7-day weight loss results. Foods to include: fat burning and filling. High protein foods. Eggs, chicken, fish, paneer, tofu. Why? Protein keeps you full longer and boosts metabolism. Fiber-rich vegetables. Spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumber, zucchini. Fiber helps digestion, reduces bloating, and controls cravings. Healthy fats in moderation. Avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds. These fats support fat-burning hormones and keep energy stable. Fruits, low sugar. Berries, apples, grapefruit. These provide antioxidants without spiking blood sugar. Whole grains optional, light portions. Oats, quinoa, brown rice. Stick to small portions early in the day. Foods to avoid: slow metabolism and block fat loss. Sugary foods and drinks. Soda, juices, desserts. These spike insulin and promote fat storage. Processed and fried foods. Chips, fast food, packaged snacks. These cause bloating and water retention. Excess salt. Avoid adding too much salt, it causes water retention. Late-night heavy meals. Eating right before bed slows digestion and prevents fat burn. Pair lemon ginger water with small, frequent meals instead of 2-3 large meals. Avoid skipping meals, it slows metabolism and can make you overeat later. By following these simple food rules, your body will respond faster, and you'll notice visible changes in 7 days, not months. Congratulations, you now know how to prepare lemon ginger water, the best times to drink it, and what foods to eat or avoid to see real weight loss results in just 7 days. But here's the truth to truly maximize your results. You need a step-by-step schedule: when to drink, what to eat, portion sizes, and simple exercises. Doing it randomly won't give you the full benefits. That's why I've created a complete 7-day plan that combines morning lift. So don't wait, comment now, share this video with friends who want to lose weight safely, and hit like if you found these tips helpful. And I'll see you in the next video with the full 7-day plan. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and watch your body transform naturally, safely, and effectively.